This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the Cardinal card. I have all of the pieces laid out here. This card comes in an A2 and an A7 size. They're sold separately, so you can pick the size that you like. So I'm going to start here with my Cardinal, and you put the white behind the piece with the cutout that has his eye on it, and then we have the beak. Beak just glues right here on the tip. I'll find the right way to put it on. There we are. Okay. Then you're going to layer the wings. And we will layer that right on the bird, like so. Okay. The next thing I'm going to work on is the branch here. So to help with the looks of this particular card, I made the leaves different sizes. So before you glue them into place, just take a few minutes and make sure you have the leaves lined up to where they go. It's not too difficult to figure out where the leaves go. And even if it's a little bit off, I think it'll be fine. And you want to put these all down first, and then your bird's going to go on top. Now I have folded some of these leaves in the center to try to add some dimension. So those leaves, I am not putting glue on the whole leaf. I'm just putting glue like on the fold so that it can pop up. So here's one. I'm just going to put the glue here in a line on the fold. This one's a little bit off, so I'm just going to let it fall off to the side. And I just need to look at, you can use your PDF to see where you need to place the extras, like the berries. So one of the bunches of berries goes here at the top. And then we're going to put our pine cone together. And it goes right there. And then the other cluster of berries goes right at the top of the pine cone. Okay. Oops. Glue on my finger. And then, oh, this one just does not want to stay. Let's try some more glue. It doesn't stay this time, I just won't use it. Okay, and I'm going to put some foam tape on my bird. I'm going to put it down first and cut this in half so that I have it placed where it's not going to smush my leaves. Okay. Then I will just place my cardinal right on top of that, making sure to line up where he goes. So there's the cardinal. And then for the card, we're just going to layer these pieces together. And the top panel just lines up right to the edge of the bottom. And then you center that on the next layer. Mine is white. You have a liner piece for inside your card, so you can use a dark card base and then just make yourself a white liner to add to the inside. And we'll put this on the front. Pattern papers would look real pretty with these. I use solid colors, but I think a real pretty pattern with the framing would be really nice on this card. So there that is, and then we just need to place our cardinal right in the center of the card. So this card is pretty quick and easy, but very elegant. And that is the Cardinal card. Thank you for joining me.